I think one of the things you can see from our track record is we consistently create the content that meets people's needs at that moment in time. And when you look at the 5-year track records, our audience has grown at 20% CAGR. And so while I do think we've been a beneficiary of COVID, I don't think that's a fundamental factor in our business. I think our business has performed well pre-COVID, and also we hope post-pandemic continue to perform strongly, which is why we were so confident about providing the upgrade this morning, because we continue to expect to meet our audience's needs.
Can you talk a bit more about the digital advertising trends that you're seeing at the moment and how you expect them to perform into early next year?
Yeah, sure, absolutely. So we've had a very strong performance in digital advertising, up 27% organically during the year. And that's been very much underpinned by the quality of our audience. I think that as advertisers and retailers continue to look to make sure they can actually meet the person that they're trying to contact with, we see endemic publishers like ourselves perform better. So we've seen yield improvements as we've seen more demand for our advertising space, but also that's allowed us to also demonstrate improved segmentation in that audience mix, which also then lets us drive up prices. So we see the outlook as being very positive, particularly as we see a fight to quality by advertisers. The other factor for us is we're a market leader in almost all the markets we operate in, and therefore in that market environment, we see advertisers want to spend around that.
Zillah, good morning. Do you think investors understand the models, understand the business models from a share price point of view? Your sector is stunningly volatile at the moment, and some of the structures involved in the sector are very complicated. Is it a hard offering for retail investors to understand?
I think fundamentally at Future what we do is we create the content that helps people make decisions in their life, and that isn't changing. And I mean, monetize it in whatever format that those consumers want to access it, be that through digital online, be that through events, or be that through magazines. And I think when you think about it like that, it's pretty simple. I think it's very easy to confuse us with other media players where you're much more generic in your content or much more specific in your distribution channel. Future's been really unique in the fact that we are prepared to provide our content wherever and however the consumer wants to consume it, so long as we're also able to monetize it at that time. And I think that's why we've proved so resilient.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.